I woke up with the weight of the world on my chest, questions in my heart. Lord, I'm trying my best. Some days faith feels fragile, hope feels far, but I lift my eyes to you just as I am.
Still your God when the night is long.
Still your God.
Still your God when I feel weak, not strong.
You don't change.
You don't change when my world falls apart.
You reign forever.
Still your God.
I sing you make rivers in places dry, turn my tears into praise, me why into why not. When the door was closed,